Hey guys, hello from China. It's the Dragon Boat Festival today, also known as the Duanwu Festival in Chinese. This is where you see those spectacular Dragon Boat races and eat the sticky rice dumplings that'll stick with you for the rest of the year. So, the sticky rice dumplings, or Zongzi, is a must-have for the Dragon Boat Festival, but since we all can have a little bit more fun and adventure, I'm going to take you to check out how people in the southeastern African country of Zimbabwe are making and enjoying this traditional Chinese delicacy. Now, my friend Gao Junya has been working in Harare as a journalist there for 4 years now, and this is my first time FaceTiming with her since she left. Let's hope that I still recognize her. Hey Junya, good to see you face to face finally. You know, I've been following you with your reports from Zimbabwe. How are you?
Hey Julian, greetings from Africa. So good to see you. How are you?
Well, I'm doing well, aside from the fact that I cannot travel to see my friends on the other side of the ocean. I really cannot complain.
Yes, so I know that you wanted to check out the Dragon Boat Festival ambience here in Harare, and I happen to have a Chinese friend who makes and sells Zongzi, the sticky rice dumplings, every year. Of course, this year is no exception. And this year she's enlisted a few locals to help her to make Zongzi, the sticky rice dumplings. Let's go and check out how they're making them.
Let's go.
Good morning! Hi, so this is Madam Zhang Li. She's running a small shop here in Harare, and she's preparing to make the Zongzi this year. And we can go and have a look how they're making them.
Oh, and they're making Zongzi all the way in the back kitchen.
So these are all the materials to make Zongzi.
Yes. And all this are for sweet, this are for salt.
Oh, so you have two different flavors.
Yes.
One is sweet Zongzi, the other one is savory Zongzi.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Where did you get all the raw materials?
Yeah, from China's market from China.
Okay, so local Chinese shop in Harare.
Yes.
So they have all the materials
Yeah.
for the savory Zongzi, sticky rice.
Look at those ingredients. It's a cornucopia.
So you're asking four of your local friends to help you to make Zongzi this year.
Yeah. And this I want to teach it.
You're also teaching them as well.
Yes.
Have you made Zongzi before?
No.
First time.
Yes.
Are you looking forward to making it though?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can go ahead. I'll just stand aside and to learn from you guys.
Now you should be making the Zongzi right now with them.
This is equal size, and this and one is out. This are for outside. This one must put inside. But this one is small. This one you can put two leaves.
Three leaves to make one Zongzi.
Yeah, some
Big
different
leaves.
leaves. These are small.
Small ones,
Yeah,
that's
some
why-
these are big ones. These are just two pieces. This one you can make. Top one also nice. This one is and also this one close.
How do you tell the difference, the savory ones from the sweet ones? Different thread. The color of the thread. So savory ones are yellow.
The sweeter.
See, that's really
yellow one.
smart.
This one-
Oh, yellow ones are sweet.
Yes.
White one is made.
Oh, white one are.
My family uses the same colored
How long
threads
do you think
for all the different
this
Zongzi,
takes?
and you can never tell which one is.
This one I make 5 minutes.
5 minutes. 5 minutes to make with this one. So you must have learned to make many traditional Chinese food here, including Zongzi. You know what does it mean? You know what does the Zongzi mean? You know why we are eating Zongzi ahead of the Dragon Boat Festival?
It's for comfort, warm sickness, Chinese.
Oh wow!
Of
I'm
course.
so moved. Yeah, like for Chinese working and living overseas, yes, we do miss, something from hometown, and this is definitely the food we're looking for on the Dragon Boat Festival. So the sticky rice dumplings not only look very delicious, actually the process of making them looks very enticing to me, and now I'd like to try to make some dumplings by myself.
Yay!
So Steven, could you please be my teacher and teach me how to make the sticky rice dumplings? Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Oh.
So let's start from the wrap, okay? So make sure it's we can choose the big leaves.
This one.
This one.
And then on top it must be small one.
Okay, a big one down, a small one.
This one.
Yeah. Oh, okay, you twist it.
It looks easy, but it's hard. We all
there's
know
not
that.
any hole down there.
I made them before, and it's
Oh,
actually harder than it looks.
Okay. Now, like this. Like this. Make sure. Yeah, this one is tight. Okay. So then we can put the rice. I think I'm 2 spoons. I'm going to make the savory ones. They look so good
My
with
favorite.
meat and egg yolk. Yeah. 2 spoons savory rice.
And take egg salted yolk.
Okay, add salted yolk first. One. Pork.
More.
One is okay? Yeah, okay. Yeah.
And take 1 spoon.
1 spoon of the sticky rice again.
Love meat.
Alright.
Top.
On top of those
Cover.
fillings.
Oh, cover. Yeah.
Alright, cover them. Use this one. Oh, yeah.
This. Hello.
No.
This side. This side again.
My mouth is
Okay.
watering.
Huh.
Yeah, you want to know, use a tray.
Yes, now my very first Zongzi.
You are a natural. You are a natural.
Use a tray.
Yeah, white thread for savory ones.
Because you take here, what you can come out. This one.
And that looks really good.
Yeah.
So then you touch this one.
I'll make sure it's tight.
Around and around and around.
It's okay?
It's okay.
It's okay?
I love the music in the background.
Then we put the thread.
This is the music you should have to
Get it
make
inside, it's
Zongzi.
okay. Wow. Yeah. Is it?
Great job! Great job! That's a sweet one. That is the sweet one. Oh, I wish I were there.
You like it? So actually, this is the first time you eat Zongzi, right?
Yes.
But it's very good.
Delicious.
She loves it.
This peanut.
Peanuts.
Look at how many goodies are
You can
in there.
see there are some dates,
There's also some dates.
lotus seeds.
Then also lotus seeds.
Wow. Everything.
Yeah, everything. This is so it's very peanut.
Yeah, it's very delicious. Very nice.
This is so
This is very sweet. Huh?
very sweet. Very sweet.
It's very nice.
Yeah, we can see that apparently Zongzi is not only a delicacy for Chinese people living in Harare. Our local friends, they also come here. They also come here to and buy some Zongzi and to try them. How is it?
Very nice, very delicious.
Is it the first time you eat Zongzi?
Yes.
You like it?
Very nice.
This small shop offers Chinese people living in Harare a chance to revisit the memories of the widely celebrated festival. And I also bought some zongs for my local friends, my colleagues, and I. So Julian, how do you plan to celebrate Duanwu in Beijing?
Well, I plan on have some zongzi, so save some of those for me, especially the savory ones. I have to say, I'm really impressed by your zongzi and that of your friends there. You have a safe and wonderful Dragon Boat Festival, and hope to talk to you soon again.